Hello and welcome to my channel video of unboxing of the Tamiya Wild One two-wheel drive off-road buggy. My name's Rob and I've got Mark helping me out here on the camera.
Hi there.
Hi. So let's get cracking, let's unbox it. They're always difficult to get out then.
It was a bit tight, wasn't it, mate?
It was, just a bit.
Right there.
So, there's the box. And we'll start in the top corner with the driver's head. Some headlights by the looks of it, and some of the roll bar in red. I'll get this out of the way. It comes with a TBLE 02 speed controller.
We like them, don't we, Rob?
We do.
They're not bad.
No.
Brushed or brushless.
You beat me to it. Right. The roll cage. Nice red plastic with some metally bits already embedded in it. Cool. More red plastic. That's part of the bodywork driver, isn't it? And then the rear wheels, servo posts, and not sure what the rest are, but we'll find out when we build it. This is what looks like the rear gearbox housing.
Yeah.
And drive shaft mounts and things. Cool. And then the tyres. Right, these before, Mark.
No, right, look at those rears. I'm not so sure about the fronts though.
No, they're off the sand scorcher,
They look
aren't they?
like it, don't they? They look nice and grippy. Super grippers, as they're called.
Ooh. It's even got direction for the drive on it.
Unusual for a Tamiya, isn't it?
It is. And then these are the fronts, which are very similar.
So they're smoothies, isn't it?
Yeah.
Super smoothies.
Similar to what I got on the Scorcher.
That's right.
And somewhere in here, I think we've got wheels.
So they're just one piece then, yeah?
Yep.
Your fronts for your bearings.
That's correct. And the wider rears in an off-white colour. And let's go to the body next, which you probably won't be able to see on the camera. But there's a main body bit here, and then a roof bit here, and still unsure what to do with that. I might not even paint it to begin with.
And you mentioned about leaving it completely clear. That's a bit unusual, but
It is, yeah.
be different.
I just can't decide on a colour yet.
No.
And we also get a driver figure.
Well,
Well, yeah.
yeah, he's not really a figure, he's a bit of a moulding.
Yeah. But hey,
Yeah.
with a nice red head. And then we come to the chassis.
You tuck it at the back?
Yeah.
Why not?
So there it is.
Cool, it's quite big actually, isn't it?
Mm.
It's wide anyway, much wider than most of the buggies we've got.
Nice big hole. I'm assuming I'll have to cut that out.
I wonder what that's for.
Who knows? Maybe to keep it light.
Yeah.
I'm assuming the battery.
Cool.
Cool. The obligatory build guide.
The manual.
Yes. all the parts, fitting the battery, all the stuff. Oops. Thing he's rid of me. Next we've got some decals. We've got seat belts for the driver.
Be able to put some detail on him then.
Yeah.
If you use him. What we've got left?
What we've got left is the big box.
Big box of goodies.
Of stuff, yes. Dun, dun, dun.
There we go. Metal parts.
Yep. Quite a few metal parts here. We've got aluminium shocks.
I like those.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's weird because the springs only go to there.
Right. Not much trouble then.
Probably not, no. Because, well, that big spring either,
No,
aren't
they're not.
So that's your parts bag B as it comes out. Parts bag A with a great big drive shaft by the looks of that.
Is that what it is?
I don't know.
Is it solid rear axle?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah, it's got the screw threads on the end. That's unusual.
It is.
I thought it was independent rear suspension, obviously not.
Yeah,
Maybe not. Maybe not. One way to find out.
Yeah. So, more shocks. I think they'll be the front ones. Again, aluminium shock mounts. A bit of grease. A bit of that, I think it's the reinforced plastic.
Yep.
Fibre reinforced plastic, that's what it's called, isn't it?
Yep.
Damper oil in a red bottle.
Delicious.
I've not seen
Or
that.
is it red oil?
Could be. But yes, either way I've not seen that one before. Oh, I didn't notice that. Ordinary damper oil in the other bag.
Oh, that's strange. Maybe the different weights.
Yeah. In parts bag C, which is your horrible bushings, which I've already got replacements for, and another fibre reinforced plastic piece. It does kind of look like carbon fibre, doesn't it?
It does a bit, yeah.
And all those lovely steering arms.
Not.
Not now. Your standard 540 motor.
Is that going to go on, Rob?
Yes, to begin with,
Yeah, cool.
because I want to just see what it's like with it.
Seems to have longer power leads than usual. Wonder why that is. Definitely look longer than standards.
Hangs over the back, and I think this speed controller goes quite high further on. So, servo saver.
Yeah, you'll break them, Rob.
Yeah.
I'm sure you will.
Okay, that's strange that that's in a separate bag, but that's the valves for the
pistons and the shocks.
the shocks, yeah. Two drive extensions.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
The rear wheels, yeah.
Yeah. Two gears. I haven't seen any other gears.
They've got two spare gears, one spare gear and an idler gear.
Yeah. So that, yeah, I haven't seen any differential stuff, so
No.
it must be a solid back axle.
Yeah.
And last but not least, a whopping great big bumper. Probably not big enough for my driving then. And that's about it. Just to show you, I've already got the bearings for it.
Nice metal replacements.
Yeah. And metal geared servo, I think it's 9 kilograms.
Right, pretty high torque then.
Yeah. And me 27 megahertz AM receiver, 2 channel. seeing as that's what I use.
Blacksmith products again, is that one?
Oh, I couldn't possibly comment
You
yet.
couldn't comment on that.
And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back and watch my build videos of this. Thanks again. Bye.
See ya.